So when the user is signed in, we want to display a button that allows the user to sign out. Now this button is only available when the user is signed in. So we'll do that in the _.layout view in the shared folder, because we want to have this button available throughout the application once the user is logged in. So after we render the view, I'm going to add just a horizontal line just to separate the two, and here we will have the sign out option. But again, this is gonna be only available to the users that are signed in. So we'll need to do an if statement and see if the user is signed in. So we'll use the user.identity and check if the user is authenticated. And if so, we'll display the username, and then we will display the button for the signing out. So I'm going to add an h2 tag, and here I will say you are signed in as, and then we will specify the user name. So we'll go to the user.identity.name, and under it we will have the button for the logout. And since it's a button, we want it in a form because we have the sign out action that we will trigger when this button is clicked. So I'll create a form with the controller for the security, and the ASP action is going to be sign out, and method is of course gonna be post. And here is just a simple button, so it's gonna be a button of type submit, and it will say sign out. And that's it. I think we are now able to sign in, sign out, and register. So let's test this.